from Glojas and hope everyone is keeping very well and safe. Today I would like to talk about glowing skin booster. Science reveals that at late 30s, most women stop producing the main structural protein found in the skin, which tells us why most of them literally look wrinkled and exhausted after a very long, tiring day. It is also due to our hot climate with harmful UV. Our skin begins to show signs such as fine lines, dull and dry skin, and uneven skin tone. So how do you retain your radiant look? There is, however, a prominent way that Glojas Smart International offers to keep you looking radiant, and all it takes is one boosting solution. Call us now to know more about our glowing skin booster only at Glojas. Glojas brings out the best in you.